Did you know? In 1964, a struggling novelist stumbled upon an antique typewriter at a forgotten estate sale. The keys clacked with an unnatural ease, typing words he never meant to write. Night after night, the machine worked on its own. Messages in languages he couldn't understand, names of people who had vanished decades ago, and chilling warnings inked in perfect script. The air around him grew heavier, colder, as each page piled up. One night he woke to find his own name repeated endlessly, followed by a date, tomorrow. Desperate, he tried smashing it, burning it, but the typewriter refused to break. The next morning, neighbors heard frantic tapping echoing through the walls. When they forced their way in, the novelist was gone. No trace, no sign, except a fresh sheet of paper. You're next. Now locked away in police evidence, officers swear it still types late at night, spelling out new names. Some call it a broken machine. Others know it's a gateway. Hit follow and subscribe if you're brave enough to hear the next story.